name is Sean Fennell. I'm the marketing guy at the Muskingum County Library System and your host of Talk of the Town. Today we are joined by Tammy Clark, Executive Director of Homeless Hands of Zanesville. Tammy, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Can you tell us a little bit about Homeless Hands of Zanesville?
We are a small nonprofit in Zanesville that helps the homeless rebuild their lives with identifications, housing, employment, transportation, anything that they need. We also provide the only shower service for them, laundry services for them. And we're transitioning to another building where we'll have a media center for them so that they'll be able to get help with online job applications and resumes and things like that.
Wow, those are really incredibly valuable services that you provide. That's so wonderful.
Yes.
Can people get involved at all?
They can. We have a transitional house, we call the Stepping Stone, that we have 3 residents at a time living there. We don't use a lot of volunteers there because I like to respect their privacy. But with the new building coming up, we will be needing volunteers every single day. So if they keep an eye on our Facebook page, that's where all of our updates go, is on our Facebook page. So if they keep an eye on that, they will know when we are in need.
Excellent. Good old Facebook to keep everybody informed, right?
It helps a lot. Yes, it does.
Well, Tammy, we also have something that we would like to present to you. You have been nominated by Jamie Pride to be the hometown hero. And we are going to give you a Bears Den gift card as a thank you for being a hometown hero and everything that you do.
Such an honor. Thank you very, very much.
Absolutely, absolutely. You really do deserve this, so thank you so much. Just from hearing a little bit about everything that you do, I just think that is a wonderful service that you provide.
Thank you.
And if you are interested in nominating a hometown hero, you can just go to yourradioplace.com to nominate. My name is Sean Fennell. I am your host of Talk of the Town. We'll see you around.
Thank you for watching this episode of Talk the Town. If you'd like to sponsor Talk the Town, please reach out to us at info@yourradioplace.com or give us a call, 740-453-6004.